Hello everyone, Candy here and Roxanne. Candy said I'm just gonna chill while Mommy shows you the house. Yeah, I'm starting today to fix up the house. The bathroom is going to get all this old 1963 tile, floor and tile on the wall coming down. New drywall up there because the guy who fixed it wrong. Excuse me. And we're going to start on that. Finish the tub's new. The toilet's about a year and a half old. The sink's about 6 years old. Let's say it. Excuse me for the cough. I still got a little tickle in my throat. And this is the hallway and all the stuff that come out of the bathroom. So, we're going to get that done today. And we're going to take some old mattresses out of the house. And this is going to be work in progress, and I will take y'all along with me. I'll show you the before and afters if possible. And Candy says, I love. When she sticks her tongue out, she's saying love. I told her, you love me? And I'd say, I exaggerate the love and stick my tongue out. Y'all have a blessed day now. Bye.